Hey, Hertith. Let me know if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Uh, um, I, I know I've tried to pronounce your name before, but I believe I got it right. Hertith. Sorry, I'm slow, uncultured American. So uh, all we speak over here is Jack and Jill and easy names. So anyways, just let me know about that. But I want to go over this website real fast. I've already sent you the pictures of the houses I want to load, and then I sent you two pictures of the backdrop I wanted to put in. So let's go back to our template that we're following. This is our website template that we're going to follow. So in here, obviously, we're going to link this to www.flipdenvernow.com. You can put right here flip or Dream Home Builder. Actually, just put flipdenvernow.com here, and then just put under here your connection to wholesale deals. Um, and then no, let's put Dream Home Builders LLC here, and then put your connection to wholesale deals, which I think I just sent you right here. Dream Home Builders would put that there, and then a smaller print underneath. You're going to put your connection to discount wholesale deals, should be an S, uh, in Denver. So and I'm just going to spell out what I want done. If I haven't told you to do anything on else, then copy this site verbatim. So for example, I'm going to tell you exactly what to put here. I'm going to tell you to get rid of this. Right here, I'm not going to tell you the verbiage. So just copy and paste this into your box there. Same here, make the same arrow, do exactly the same thing unless I've told you otherwise. That makes it simple, takes the guesswork out on your end. And if I want to change something later, which we probably will, then I'll contact you and be like, hey, you know what, instead of this arrow, I want this arrow, and can you do that? But I just want to get something thrown up there fairly quickly because this website is going to be the centerpiece to my text marketing, which is really the whole reason why I've suddenly got a fire lit underneath my ass to build out this website. Because before I was doing email blasting to send out these properties, my deliverability has gotten really bad, and I want to switch to text message marketing because the deliverability is awesome with text message marketing. But for me to do that, I need landing pages. I need to put in this text message, three bedroom, two bath, $400,000 purchase price. Yeah, you know, here's the link to more information. Boom, send the text message, and I send that to 1,000 people or 2,000 people or whatever I do. So that's why I need to build out this website. And of course, that link is not going to go to here, to this website address. We're actually going to make a landing page for any new actives. So this is where your ongoing service will be needed. But for now, we're going to build this template out just like this. And I'm going to go back into the changes. We're just going to post 4 properties. You can get rid of you don't post the rest of these properties. I gave you 4 properties. 1, 2, 3, 4 properties, and you just put those pictures right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Make the boxes the same. You can make sold. You can verbatim copy this text for now. I'll go in and change that later. Don't worry about stamping this with the logo. And by the way, if you want to make this into some sort of cool logo, knock yourself out. I'm sure you are really good at that. I'm not. So I'm just going to rely on you to do something very cool. But if you don't, that's fine. Let's just get something up and running. So we're just going to post these 4 properties. Let me get this out of the way. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest of this will be blank. Okay. And then I just want to make sure we get 4 properties up. And then I'll probably give you another 20 properties later to add in here. But for now, let's just get 4 up. I just want to get a template going. The backdrop, if I haven't already said it, is one of these 2 pictures. I sent you 2. I'd like to use this one if we could. If that one doesn't work, then I guess use that one. If neither one of them work, let me know. We'll figure it out. So that's that backdrop. They've got an ugly house here. I don't want that. I want, something like this with Denver that looks kind of cool. So, um, so that's it. Later we'll add tabs. Later we'll do a landing page. for now, let's just build this thing out. Um, so the last thing I want to talk about is this box here. So this we may have to play with this a couple times to get it right. Um, but I want to enter in a name and an email. I have that in one box, and that email goes to my Getmail account, and so that email automatically goes there, enters into my marketing campaign. And I can give you the login information for that. I'm sure you can pull some kind of coding out of Getmail to make that magic happen. That's your area of expertise. That's where I'm relying on you to do this. My text message marketing is I don't think there's a way to enter in a phone number and then automatically go into my text messaging. I don't think that's the way it works. I think what we're going to have to do is do like name, email, and then do a separate box. Say if my first out properties or for first look text, um, you're going to text flips to 94253. So they got to text that number 94253, and they got to put in their subject line flips. And so we're going to have to instruct them to do that to get onto the text messaging list. So that's what we're going to do there. So don't worry if you don't feel like you have it exactly right. Just get this thing up, because right now I don't think we have anything up. Flip. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Flip Denver now. So it's still linked to Google, so you haven't really stuck anything in our hosting site or done any of this. So let's get this template up and running, and then we'll build out from there. So that makes it easy. So it's just kind of step one. So hopefully that helps. And like I said, we're just going to do these pictures for now. Get this thing set up, get this box set up correctly so everything's working correctly, and we'll go from there. So talk to you soon.